guess I'm clumsy with words. I guess I'm easily hurt. Maybe we're only human, and if it's not easy, don't give up on me. Could you risk your world in my hands? And I'd do it again. Be patient, 'cause I'll make mistakes. Think kindly of me every day. Summer or winter or caught in between them, for worse or for better, or whatever reason. Love unwavering, fiercely or gently, through tears or through laughter, before me or after. Maybe we're only human, and if it's not easy, don't give up on me. Will you be my anchor if I ever drift off? Will you be my map when I won't admit we're lost? Our bodies will age, dear, but we can look past it. And maybe not just when we've misplaced our glasses.
Sometimes the moments you love are moments you didn't plan to happen. Sometimes a moment, a place feels so right that you jump on an opportunity. I'm glad I did. To see her smile and be in awe at the mountain before us. To see a beautiful cliffs above a lake surrounded by golden leaves. To see so closely an animal of such power in a state of grazing leisure. That day, that place, I knew I had to ask her there and nowhere else. It was a dramatic, gorgeous, and my heart wouldn't stop racing. The Tetons were my first choice, and as breathtaking as they were, Glacier was the right choice. She was the right choice. Her passion for travel, for seeing all that nature has to offer, her ability to capture it, her laugh and smile, and even the tears she gets when she sees dramatic landscapes or close encounters with docile wildlife. Things as beautiful to her as she is to me. And I can't wait for the adventures we still have to share.